I've started this little project. Thought I'd make a quick video in case anyone wants to do it themselves. But I've got my CRF 250L. Seats quite comfortable, not that comfortable, but you can buy a gel pad from Amazon for about £25. And I'm going to try and install it and change the cover while I'm at it. So I've already removed the cover. I've just used a Sharpie, sat on the bike, put a Sharpie at the front and back of where I sit, and then done some cross hatching with the Sharpie, and then slowly just cut out each of those blocks. And now what I'm doing is just using a drill with a wire brush on it and just using it to just shave down, get it smooth as possible. The piece of gel, which isn't here yet, is 2 centimeters deep. So I'm just going to start sculpting it until it's 2 centimeters deep. And then I'm going to stick on the new gel pad and then install this. So what I'm going to do is just use a bit of plastic, and I'm going to measure the gap with this. So that the bottom of that blue tape is 2 centimeters. So roughly I can work out by moving it up and down my spare hand whether I've got the depth right. Right, I've worked it all down. It's about 2 centimeters deep. Using this is perfect for just sculpting out the foam. And then yeah, I've just been putting that there, and then using this to get the consistent height all the way through the seat. Pretty happy with that. Right, the gel's arrived. It's got a sticky side on that side. I'll rip this bit off. But first of all, I'm just going to cut around this on here, slot it in, see what happens. So I just laid the gel on top, and you can see the line underneath, so just run a knife along there and then cut the rest with scissors. What I didn't allow for is the fact that you've got a curve, so it's created a bigger gap here. So what I'm going to do is take this, the rest of this, and add another little bit back here. Well, I've got it. Right, it's all in there now. So you've got this plastic, and if you peel it off, it's sticky on the other side, so it'll hold itself in place. I don't think I'll take the top layer off, but it's pretty sticky. So I'll do that, and then I'll cover it. Right, it's all fitted. I would say it feels a bit heavier. This gel is quite heavy for a dirt bike. I've sat on it. Can't really tell the difference until I ride it for a couple of hours. But yeah, there you go.